Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to fix app not installed as app isn't compatible with your phone problem. First, you need to know that some applications cannot be installed on your phone because of your phone specs. So you may have a very old version phone, so at this point you may have to upgrade your phone. But in this video, I'll show you the software side that you can actually do in order to fix this problem. First, you should navigate to your mobile settings, then search for apps, and now you'll have to search for Chrome. Simply click on Chrome, then now you will have to search for storage. Once you go to storage, click on clear cache. After clearing the cache, you will have also to clear data. So simply click on clear data, and here you have these options. Click on clear all data, then hit the OK button. And now go back again to Chrome, then go and click on permissions. Give it all the permissions that it is not allowed. Simply click on any one of these permissions, then choose to toggle on the allow button and also enable the notifications. Once you're all done, you can now go back and restart your phone. So simply I'll click on this power button, then hit the restart, and after restarting your phone, your problem will be fixed. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.